Many enthusiasts love EVGA for their motherboards, power supplies, peripherals, and most importantly, graphics cards. Unfortunately for the GPU lovers out there, last year EVGA announced it would no longer be working with Nvidia and would also be leaving the graphics card market entirely after over 2 decades. With so many die-hard fans of their products, this surprised the enthusiast community, but also raised many questions about EVGA's future, especially considering the fact that GPUs made up around 75% of its revenue. Well, this weekend, questions of EVGA's future were raised once again, with rumours that their Taiwan office would be shutting its doors for good. But before we get into that, here's a quick word from this video sponsor. Hello mate, you alright? Yeah, just got all the bits for my banging new gaming PC. Just got to put it together. It's going to be so much better than yours. Oh, right. What did you get then? The latest Intel 12th gen processor, a feature-packed motherboard, and 32GB of DDR4 memory. See? Miles ahead of yours. You realise that board needs DDR5 memory, don't you? Don't tell me you went and bought the wrong stuff. DDR4 is so 2014. I can't believe you was that stupid. What? No, you're joking. What should I get then? For me, I'd be looking at Corsair's newest Vengeance DDR5 kits, or if you're wanting that all-important RGB, then go for the Dominator Platinum RGB. Oh, you are a lifesaver, thanks, but where can I find out more? By clicking the link in the description below, of course. And you call me the stupid one. Now, we've not looked at anything from EVGA for a while, not because we don't get on with them, but they've not really had much to look at. I mean, cooler-wise, they are made up from eTeknix, so nothing different from the ton of other brands who use the same technology. Their PSUs are, again, made by someone else too. And what I'm trying to get at is, does EVGA even make products anymore? Or just market those manufactured by others? I mean, yes, granted, they do make cases, but, well, do you know anyone with one? I don't, which kind of says everything you need to know on that one, I guess. So back to the topic at hand regarding this weekend. Well, there was a rumour floating around that EVGA's employees at their Taiwan offices, including pro overclocker Vince Lucido, also known as Kingpin, had resigned. Now, this rumour was shared by SafeDisk, a well-known Korean overclocker currently standing in 4th place in the worldwide HW bot rankings, and, well, no slouch in the community. SafeDisk made the claims surrounding EVGA on the Korean forum site Cool Enjoy, and in a translated post on the site stated, "Hello, we would like to inform you about EVGA. Currently, all EVGA Taiwan office employees have resigned, including Kingpin. Closures seem to be becoming a fait accompli here. I don't know what the warranty issues will be, but I hope EVGA users won't have any complaints about this issue. I wonder what will happen in the future. We'll have to wait for EVGA's official announcement." Now, this rumour came as quite a shock for many, plus it wasn't just some nobody saying it, with SafeDisk being well known in the overclocking scene. Of course, people who like EVGA's non-GPU products, like power supplies, will, be disappointed with this news, especially for the EVGA Dark motherboards, a popular tool among overclockers looking to gain the next big world records. But many people also were concerned about the warranties on their existing products, as EVGA has received a generous amount of praise over the warranties they offer, despite their departure from the GPU market. Now, on EVGA's website, they state that their standard warranty can offer up to 3 years, but there is also a limited lifetime warranty for products registered within 30 days, which can give 5 or sometimes even 10 years of coverage. EVGA continue to honour the lifetime warranty even after they stopped producing GPUs by making use of existing stock. Now, if they were to shut down, it would be highly unlikely that these generous warranty claims would continue, as they wouldn't, have an office to handle them, and customers would begin to lose out. Now, fortunately, this issue has turned out to be, I guess you could class it as a hoax, and EVGA, for now, is still operating as usual. These claims were debunked after TechPowerUp reached out for comment on Friday morning to EVGA Spain offices, and were told that it was just another day at the office, which I guess didn't ease concern all that much, as EVGA Spain is of course on the other side of the world from the Taiwan office. Now, those with uncertainty surrounding EVGA Spain's comments were eased later on in the day when an official announcement was given to TechPowerUp from EVGA, which stated, "We saw those messages and they are rumours. Our Taiwan office is still operating and Kingpin is still with EVGA. EVGA is still doing business and supporting its customers. Thanks for reaching out." So it looks like the fire has been put out and fans of EVGA have nothing to worry about until the day when this scenario, isn't a hoax. So how did this all begin? Where did SafeDisc get their information? Well, unfortunately, we don't know. However, we can look towards a Gamers Nexus video which brings to attention the idea that EVGA is winding down. The video starts off with the mention of EVGA's newest Supernova PSUs, which were released in June, with a measly 3-year warranty, which even then our news writer pointed out as ringing some alarm bells. 3 years is an incredibly short warranty for a power supply, especially considering many lower wattage and lower efficiency units feature at least 5 years, and then higher end ones sometimes offer 10 or even 12 years. This incredibly short warranty seems to point towards EVGA not really having the confidence to be able to cover that warranty beyond 3 years' time, as they may not be around beyond that time frame. Steve then moves on to an interview with Vince Kingpin Lucido and EVGA's BIOS team, who, when asked about the future, stated, "There's no next project, man. We won't be colleagues anymore," which led to the claim of EVGA stepping away from motherboards and is possibly involved in what led to SafeDisc's claim. The final nail in this coffin is that EVGA's CEO supposedly does not intend on selling the company and has not placed anyone to be the successor once he has retired, likely marking the end of EVGA after that happens. So it seems as though we are potentially looking at the end of an era, though I will be honest, a rather slow and controlled end rather than a sudden full stop or sudden game over. Or could this all be a load of nothing and could just be general scaremongery? I guess time will tell. Let me know in the comments section. Are you rocking an EVGA product, whether it be a power supply, a graphics card, or one of them cases that I spoke about? And yeah, how long of a warranty do you actually have left? I'm eager to see how many potential customers could be losing out in the maybe not too distant future. And that about wraps this one up. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, a like and a sub to the channel would be amazing. And if you love what we do, then consider joining the exclusive Patreon club, where you'll get access to a whole host of goodies, including behind the scenes content, discounts on our merch store, a super special area on our Discord, and much more. Yeah, that's about it. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you in the next one. See you later, guys. Bye bye.